सुखन में सहल नहीं जान निकाल कर रखना, सुखन में सहल नहीं जान निकाल कर रखना, ये जिंदगी है हमारी संभाल कर रखना। जो लाल किले की चोटी पर लहराता है उसे हम अपना आत्मा सम्मान कहते हैं। हम कमजोरों पर वार नहीं करते इसलिए हमें महान कहते हैं।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Good morning everyone. My name is Sahiba. My father name is Muhammad Rais. I read in 7th class. My dear principal, my dear teachers and all friends, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. Republic Day is a national pride. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, our Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Republic Day is important to us as Independence Day. We always respect our Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. It is a very proud day of our country. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. We should always, our Republic Day, we always respect on 26 January. We pray to God that God might be always might be our national pride. We pray to God that might our nation to be vast, but we are. Republic Day is a national pride. Brings it. We pray to God that God might be vast. It is brings. Republic Day is a day national for our country. So I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
माशाल्लाह। साहिबा, साहिबा। एक्शन पेश करने के लिए